Hello and welcome to Security. This is Cesar, and yeah, this is just going to be a short one. Over the past month, I've not posted any content, and that's because I was studying actively for this exam, the AWS Certified Security Specialty exam. I'm pleased to announce that I passed it, and yeah, I just decided to share an update on the channel. And over the next couple of days, I'm also going to post a video covering how I studied for the exam and sharing tips for anyone who wants to write the exam as well, tips that could help you to be successful in the exam. I believe there is going to be a change or the change of the exam in June or July. But for anyone that's hoping to take the exam before then, I'm just going to share the tips I used and the tips that helped me. And yeah, hopefully that helps you as well. So yeah, like I said, it's just going to be a short one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.